Is it time? It's time. It's time to shut this dehumidifier off. Let's do Corvette stuff. Hey, there's my sunglasses. Here we go, guys. This is it. It is time to fit the manifold and then possibly bolt it down for good. Hooray. Let's see what we got going on. That didn't work. So, I got my package in from Amazon I was waiting for, found some heat shrink stuff, and I'm hoping this will fit around the two hoses that I needed to. So, what we're first going to do is plunk this back on, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that the lengths I have used for my PCV hoses are good. If they're too long, we'll shorten them. Easy peasy. Let's do that. Okay, so what we need to do is shorten this hose by that much, and with these two basically identical in length, I can slip on the shorter sleeve. And then the longer sleeve will go from here to here basically. And we'll match this up with that right there. And that should work. All right, so let's go get that together real quick. Okay, so we have this vaguely where it needs to be. This will get heat shrunk this way. This is going to get shrunk like this. And this will all go together nice, actually. There we go. That's what we need. Just like that. So let's heat it up and get it done. Okay, let's try this again. Big thank you to my friend Ben. Thankfully he lives very close and he had a heat gun. Let's get this thing fired up. Look at that. Working already. Oh, beautiful. This is great. I'll be goddamn, that looks good. Look at that, fellas. Look at that. That's the good stuff right there. All right. Well guys, the tape is off. You know what that means. It's time to put this manifold on once and for all, and we're going to actually bolt her down. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it and start fixing everything in place. But just how much better does that look than it could have? Oh my goodness, it's great. Look at them ports. They look good. All right, let's go get the manifold and we'll plunk it on here. I think for the last time. This is awesome. Okay, now that we have all the bolts started, we're going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds per the directions, pop the fuel rails back in, tighten those up, and tighten the fuel line fitting. And I might actually prime the fuel system and just make sure there's no leaks before we get too far along. Okay, after a quick butt puckering, I had to tighten the T-fitting underneath the throttle neck. We had a little bit of a leak, but it appears that snugging them up has done the trick. So we should be good. I guess we'll bolt the throttle body back on. I had to move it to get access. No big deal. Yeah, and I think other than that, I'm going to tape up this flex fuel sensor because I don't think we're going to end up putting it on right away. I don't feel like taking the fender off. I'm kind of lazy. But hot damn, guys, we're in good shape. So what do we have left? Now we have to bolt the catch can on and resize and connect those hoses, and all I need is one friggin' boot so I can connect the rest of this, and we're done. Oh yeah, and shorten that PCV line. But other than that, we're basically there. Fuel leaks are taken care of. Crankcase breather lines are all good, and they look nice and tidy. This is a very neat package. I'm quite happy with it. So let's go ahead and bolt this catch can on. It's a little wobbly, but I think with the hoses on it, it'll be fine. So let's go size them and do that. There we go. I think that's what we're going to do. Catch can is mounted. Pretty sturdy. Hoses will hold it in place okay. I think that'll be fine. Is this cranked the way I want it to be? Yeah, that's good. I think that'll work. And then we'll just have one hose that goes boop right here, and we're finished. So there we go, guys. I don't know how long this episode of things will be or how much I caught before my other camera died, but there you have it. All right, everybody. Got everything tidied up here and looking pretty good. So all that's left to do really is get it running. And get the tune updated and see what it does. I did end up buying new fuel injectors, so those will get installed, but we're not going to install those until we get the tune updated because, well, you put new injectors in without the tune updated, shit ain't going to work right. So we're going to leave it alone, make it run, call it a day, get it tuned, hopefully make 600 and some horsepower, and we'll see what we got. BTR manifold is installed. So thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Leave a like, leave a comment. Catch you guys in the next video. As always, build something cool.